Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of IndusInd Tiger Credit Card, a premium but lifetime free credit card. If you're looking to elevate your spending experience with rewards, travel perks, lifestyle benefits, and all without paying an annual fee, then you're in the right place. Stick with me as I unveil what makes this card unique, the full range of benefits you get, and the fees you need to watch out for. Let's get started. The IndusInd Tiger Credit Card is a joint offering between IndusInd Bank and Tiger Fintech, part of Bajaj Capital. It's positioned as a lifetime free Visa signature card that's perfect for high spenders, frequent travelers, and lifestyle enthusiasts who don't want to be bogged down by annual charges. What really sets this card apart is its reward structure. The reward structure scales with your spending. The more you use it, the more you earn without the worry of fees cutting into your benefits. It's also loaded with travel perks including lounge access, concierge services, golf privileges, movie benefits, and more. It's designed to give the feel of a luxury credit card without actually costing you anything. And yes, this card is open to both existing and new IndusInd customers. You don't need a savings account with the bank to apply. Now let us talk about the main features of the card. Tiered rewards program. The card uses a dynamic system where your reward rate increases with your annual spending. If you spend up to 1 lakh per year, you earn 1 reward point per 100 rupees. From 1 lakh to 2.5 lakh per year, it increases to 2 reward points per 100 rupees and more. It's a tiered rewards program. Redemption options. Reward points can be redeemed for vouchers, merchandise, or statement credits. And you also have the option to convert points to air miles with partner airlines at a competitive rate. Airport lounge access. Card holders receive 2 complimentary visits per year to any of the participating international lounges outside India with their priority pass. And for the domestic lounge, you can avail 2 complimentary visits per calendar quarter in any of the participating domestic lounges. Concierge and lifestyle benefits. The card comes with 24/7 concierge assistance for booking flights, hotel, dinings, car rental, sports and entertainment bookings, events bookings, and so on. Assurance. This card offers Total Protect, which covers you for the following: unauthorized transactions in case of a loss or theft of a card, counterfeit fraud, and air accident cover. There's also the fuel surcharge waiver. You enjoy 1% fuel surcharge waiver across all fuel stations in India. And this waiver is applicable for all fuel transactions between 400 rupees to 4,000 rupees only. Such a great card. Now let us talk about the pricing. The joining fee is 0 rupees. And the annual fee is also 0 rupees. It's a lifetime free card. But there are finance charges, there are late payment fee charges, a cash advance fee, Forex markup fee can also be included, and it is true that while usage fees are standard, there's no cost to hold or renew the card. That's a huge plus that you'd always keep in mind. Now, what are the pros and cons of using this card? First, the pros. It is completely lifetime free, no joining or renewal fees. There's excellent lounge access. The scalable reward system available is rewarding. It is great for travelers, and the lifestyle perks like concierge service, golf, movies, and fuel waiver is incredible. How about the cons? The interest charges are high if you carry a balance. And reward points are not earned on fuel, utility, education, and rent categories. And some benefits require minimum spending per quarter. So having considered all this, would you say the IndusInd Tiger Credit Card is worth it? Absolutely, if you fall into the right user category. This card is best suited for travelers that are frequent travelers who want lounge access and air miles, high volume spenders who can cross 5 rupees lakh per year and earn at the top reward tier, and is also suited for people who want premium perks without paying premium fees. If you're disciplined with credits, it's also good for you because if you pay off your dues on time, you'll avoid all the finance charges and get full value from the card. The only catch is, to get the most out of this card, you need to spend actively and pay in full. Then if that's you, this card can offer tremendous value over the years. That's it on the review of the IndusInd Tiger Credit Card. If you're looking to try other alternatives you may explore, SBI Simply Click Credit Card, HDFC Millennium Credit Card, and ICICI Amazon Pay Credit Card. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.